How many times have you met someone new, you introduce yourself, and they immediately ask you, what do you do? Or vice versa. You're asking them, what do you do? That comes up so quickly in conversation when we're talking with new people that, to be honest, to me, it insinuates that we are so aligned and so enmeshed with our job. It means that like our job is so integral to our identity. It's wild.
I like to throw people a wild card and just not ask what they do and just be like,
Same.
what do you stand for?
If you stand for nothing, you'll fall for anything.
Or you like hit them with a, what's your purpose here? And they'll just like give you they start to kind of panic internally, and you can see it on their external. They're just kind of like,
I've never tried that. I would love to ask, like, what's your mission? You know, because your job is probably really different than your mission here. But if they are the same, that's really cool. You're on the right path. Good for you. You can turn this video off, actually.
go to our other playlist.
Okay, so be honest. Like, how many of you, if you're sitting there right now watching this video and you're like, ooh, I'm like really consumed with my job, just be honest. Just be honest with yourself right now and think about how your life would look if that wasn't true. If I was not so attached and identified with my job, who would I be? That's a great place to start.
That's a really powerful like journal prompt too, if you're into journaling. Because I will say, I was in the military for just under a decade, and that was my entire life, my entire identity. Like, it was a process for me to transition outside of the military and like figure out, what does Jessy like, right? And by the way, I'm Jessy.
And I'm B.
And if you like this video so far, like, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It truly helps our channel, and we're so grateful that you're here. But I had to like, it was such a difficult time. I feel like it took me a couple of years actually to kind of figure out, okay, this is what I like. This is what I'm passionate about. This is what I want to do. I want to help people. It took time. It takes time to kind of like deprogram and like decondition yourself from, and like detach from the triple D, baby, and detach from that identity with your job.
You're not your job.
That's what I was trying to say. You're not your job. You're not your job.
You're not your job. You're actually not your thoughts. You're not your emotions. You're not your memories. You're not your stories. Like, I think it's so powerful when we as human beings can actually just start observing that and start detaching from that, because then we start to remember like who we actually are and what we came here to do. And for some of us, it could be as like simple as, yeah, I'm here to like be a really good mom, you know? And I'm not saying simple is like a bad thing. Like, that is a super powerful and really intense mission, actually. And like, wow. Or it could be like, my mission is to like spread so much peace and love throughout this world, doing whatever brings me joy, so that so many other people can like truly remember who they are. And like, you know, you're being called to like stages and stuff like that. Like, it's different for everyone, and every piece of it is so integral due to the collective consciousness, because we're going to get a little spiritual here, and like, we are all one. Like, there really is no separation. Like, us being separate is such an illusion. And when we really come back to like, we are all one consciousness, and each of us have like unique and really special gifts to offer the world. And once we all tap into that, our world is like going to be freaking amazing. And we are so on that path. Like, I see it, more and more of us are turning on. We're like becoming awake to the programs and what's serving us and what's not. And like, honestly, that's why, a big reason why we started this channel is so that we could reach as many women and people as possible to like start waking up to like, who am I? What did I come here to do? You know, like, just connecting with the highest version of yourself.
Right. And it's no coincidence that you're watching this video wherever you are, whenever you're watching it. Like, you're here for a reason. There's no such thing as coincidence. Like, this was meant to find you, and we are just reflecting back to you what you kind of already know.
Yes, we're just reminding you because your soul already knows everything. To be honest, no one can like teach you anything. They're just reminding you of what you already know because you, my dear, are an infinite being of light. You are all knowing.
So let us know in the comments, what is your soul mission? Or better, what do you stand for? We would love to know. And as always,
take what you need, leave the rest, and go love yourself.